Hi there, this is Technology Man's World, and today I will tell you that how to use Transcribe in Microsoft Word. So, what is Transcribe? So, Transcribe is mainly used like when you are in a Teams meeting. So, here I am, and now there are two people, and now they are saying something. Now, if you want this transcription in Word, you can easily do that using Transcribe. So, I'll tell you how to use it. So, for that you need Word for Web. It's currently not available in Word's desktop pack. So let's go to our browser. Here I am. Now you need to go to office.com and then go to Word. Now in the dictate button you will get an arrow and there it is Transcribe. So now let's click on it. Yeah. Now, you can either upload the audio or you can click on the start recording option. So, you know there's a meeting right now and we'll do some transcription. We want to record that meeting, so we'll click on start recording. So, hi there. And today we have a guest with us and he will tell some thoughts about Transcribe.
Thank you, Technology Man, for giving me a chance over here. So transcription seems to be a very useful service because when we are conversing, we want to keep the conversation normal and natural. At the same time, we want this conversation to be handled easily on the electronic media. Transcription, therefore, is extremely useful in helping us convert our regular natural thought process into electronic media for general transmission and conversing with others.
Yeah, so that's really cool. Okay, so that's our thoughts on that transcription in Microsoft Word.
Oh, that's cool.
So yes, so let's end up the transcription today. So now, you have seen that we have recorded our notes and now I'll click on the save and transcribe now. So now it will tell uploading to OneDrive. So this transcription will automatically get uploaded in your OneDrive. Okay, so this might take a while. Okay, here we are. So now let's see. So, hi there. And today we have a guest with us and he will tell some thoughts about Transcribe.
Thank you, Technology Man, for giving me a chance over here.
Yes. So let's end up the transcription today. Okay, so these were the transcriptions. Now you can edit it a bit. So here you can see you can edit your notes. Now here you can see that I have been marked as speaker 2, but I want myself to be marked as speaker 1. So I can do like this and now I can change all the speakers too. Now I'll change the speaker 1 to speaker 2. Okay, so that's what I wanted. Now on the plus button to add that section, or if you want the whole thing to be added to a document, click on the add to document. Now you can do just text with speakers, with timestamps, and with speakers and timestamps. So let's do all of them. So here is it. So hope you like this video. If you have, then don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss interesting videos like this, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.